the KSOUND EP-K05. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a budget pair of earbuds that sell for $20. These are the KSOUND EP-K05. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The K05 features 5 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case. It takes 1.5 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, 6mm drivers, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The case ranks up there with one of the smallest that I've ever reviewed. It has a matte finish all around, and on the top you have the KSOUND branding. On the front you have the status LEDs, and on the back you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds are your typical design, simple and small with a matte finish, and the ear markings are on the inside. The outer face you have the KSOUND logo and the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, LED, touch control, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate. These also have volume controls. The case comes in at 2.1 by 1.6 by 1 inch. It weighs in at 25 grams and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your on track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, counting all the way up. Count blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going on track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the KSOUND K05 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality came in a bit low for my liking. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the K05. I found them to seat well in my ears. It does require a slight twist to get them seated properly. It feels very snug and tight, and there's good passive noise isolation. You do start to feel pressure in your ear canals after a period of time. The touch controls help and it doesn't add pressure when navigating. Build and quality is what you would expect for a budget pair. Simple case and earbud design. The case is definitely small and very portable. The earbuds don't protrude out once seated in your ears and have a slim profile. Touch controls worked well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5 hours and 30 total with the case. Now when it comes to sound, I was quite surprised at what they put out. The bass was heavy and punchy, a bit on the airy side and feels boosted. Definitely not lacking at all. Mids and highs also stand out. It's not too forward, but just balanced, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel these produce sounds with what you would find in earbuds twice the price. Definitely something to look into if you're searching for a budget pair. The sounds don't disappoint and they are very portable. So that is my review of the KSOUND EP-K05 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.